Hello teachers, in this video, I will show you how to start creating grades templates, encoding grades, printing main grading sheet including editing weight percentage and score values. First thing to do is to make sure the record's contents are clear for a new fresh start. This must be done when starting the school year or when using it for the first time in the beginning of first quarter. You can back it up first if you have records for filing management purposes and as precautionary measure. Let's start. Open the program, then click Start button on the Startup display. Assuming you have completed editing the class list database section and including teachers' data under settings which should be already filled up completely. With these on hand, we can now proceed with this demonstration. On the main page menu through the tab Navigation Toolbars, point and click Backup icon if you have a previous or records in the database at the present. Hence, click on Icon tab Settings. Then look on Database section with the icons Delete Records. There are two methods to clear records. Number 1, you can delete records for every subjects per quarter, or number 2, delete records for all subjects and all quarters entirely. In this example, I will show you both methods. Assuming we have used this system for the previous school year. Hence, you will find records from first to fourth quarter. This is how it looks. Click on Sheet and Controls tab menu. Select and click Load or Edit Record. Choose any grading period. As shown, I have selected first quarter period. A drop-down list of subjects or records is now displayed. This is the whole content of the first grading period. Checking all the rest will show you all remaining data. The contents are unlimited, meaning you can create as many grading sheets with different class sections and subjects. It can contain all your teaching loads, whether you have an advisory class or a floating teacher. You add more by importing records among colleagues for viewing, editing or reporting. Now, let's go back to the clearing of records. Point and click once more the Settings tab toolbar. Click on Delete Records per Subjects or Quarter, select the period and choose the subject you want to delete. Confirm deletion by clicking the toolbar below the selection. Once done, you have just deleted one record as shown. Check and refresh the drop-down list by reloading the drop-down button. As you can see, the subject selected is gone permanently. This can be done for all the rest. However, since this is single-handed method, it is only applicable for minor changes. Close the dialog box and click the Delete Records All Quarters. Again, take caution when using this and make sure you have created a backup using the Backup File toolbar. Click on Delete Records All Quarters. A confirmation message will pop up. Read the instructions and click OK to proceed. This will now erase all your records from first to fourth quarter. By then, you are now ready to create new records for this school year and onwards. Point and click Sheets and Control. Then the third icon from the left, point and click Create All Subjects. Select your advisory class or any class section names you wish to create a record. Once section name is selected, click OK. This will now load all the default templates and subjects title from grade 1 to 10. It won't matter if you are handling grade 1 or grade 6 or up to 10. As shown, the records are by default created in first quarter only. Now, you are ready to finalize and start editing or encoding your learners' grades data. Using the grading sheet is easy. In this demo, I will show you how to update or edit the weight percentage for each subjects and highest score values. You will find that the class list names are already there for both male and female learners. Let's choose one particular subject to load. Example, English subject. Upon loading, this will replace anything in the display, so make sure you save the previous display if you were working on the previous record. Let's update first the weight percentage. Click on the icon toolbar Set Percentage. A display box will show up. Enter the required percentage. You can point in the toolbar Def Aid reference if you can't remember the correct percentage for a certain subject. In this example, We have loaded the English subject which shows in the reference under language with values of 30, 50 and 20% respectively for written works, performance task and quality assessment. Once values are inputted, then point and click Here to Set button. Click on any cell in the grading sheet to update or refresh the display. Now you can see the values entered correctly. Hence, we can do the same for highest possible score values. Actually, whichever comes first as you wish will not matter. Okay, let's try inputting scores by selecting Set Score as shown here. This is self-explanatory, like you are inputting values in an Excel spreadsheet. Once done, you are ready to fill in the values for each learners. Take note, for every time you loaded and edited a certain subject, do not forget to click Save buttons. There are two buttons the rightmost toolbar's icon. The first one is Quick Save, which is most used when working in a hurry, while the other gives you more option to, like saving it to another quarter or changing the subject title. Should you wish to view a full report and print them, then point and click Print and Reports Navigation tab menu. On the leftmost toolbar icon, you can choose to display and print male and female records separately. This option has been created to avoid mistake in printing reports, consuming unnecessary papers, and avoid the hassle of printing setup. By default, paper size are fixed to a standard printable size but can be adjusted or changed as shown in this example. This demonstration of deleting records, creating records and editing or loading records including printing and reports has been completed. Check the next video instruction for the next feature of this software. Thank you.